Hello everyone, happy November 3rd. Today we celebrate sandwiches, housewives, and the joy of comfort food. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Sandwich Day, a delicious tribute to layered bites and endless creativity. A great gift could be a sandwich press, a gourmet condiment set, or a recipe card bundle. What's your ultimate sandwich combo? Let's stack the comments. Next, it's Housewives Day, celebrating the dedication and care of homemakers everywhere. A thoughtful gift could be a spa gift set, a personalized planner, or a heartfelt thank you note. Who's a homemaker you admire? Let's honor them in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Cliché Day, a playful nod to familiar phrases and classic expressions. A sweet gift could be a pun-themed notebook, a quote-a-day calendar, or a punny mug. Got a favorite cliché? Let's laugh it up in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.